do the cleanup actually. So we need to do the cleanup for zookeeper, right? So how to do the cleanup part. Okay, this is the cleanup part. So clean up existing zookeeper. Okay, so unlink zookeeper, unlink, okay. Okay, so this is the clean up existing zookeeper. Okay, install new zookeeper. Okay, so these are the install new zookeeper steps. Okay, got it, guys.
Got it, sir. Will be
Those
same,
will
yeah.
be, those will be same. Only thing is that okay, you are replacing zookeeper. Okay, so these are the steps you need to perform. Okay, so where can I? Okay, so change of zookeeper.
Got it, sir. Sir, if in real time also same only we need to.
But okay, it is not Apache Hadoop, right? It may be different one, right? Okay, so where is this one? Change of zookeeper version. Okay, so on your existing cluster, okay, shall I upload it here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I'll upload. Okay, in here I'm uploading. Okay, is it fine?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Yes.
Change of zookeeper version. Where is it? It's uploaded, right?
So you have to install the from the scratch, sir, as you mentioned in the chat.
No. Okay, so if you don't want to install from scratch, okay, so follow. Okay, I'll tell you, sir. I'll put a message. Okay, what I'll put a message. So if you don't want,
Sir, which my drive Hadoop admin documents?
to install from scratch, please the document uploaded. Okay. Change of okay, so see my message. Okay, I guess this will give you clarity. Can you check your WhatsApp, guys? Is it fine?
Yes, sir. Good.
This one, right? Okay, so just okay, we don't want to install from scratch. Okay, then okay, do it okay from here itself. Okay, just okay, you follow this document. Okay, that will help you. That will help you to upgrade your Zookeeper version. Okay.
So this change of Zookeeper version, that is sufficient to follow, no, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, you don't require anything else. Okay, so shall we check it, guys? Then.
Sir, most of the companies which they are using this Hadoop or or CDP means what are they using exactly in industry now?
Okay, most of you will come to know that tomorrow, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You remember there was one issue which we were facing. Okay, I mean, okay, it was rotating STFS, DFS, right? No, let's look. We were checking for different name nodes. Looks like that is not happening now. Right? Work here. What is taking so much time here? Okay. Even okay, that issue also. Okay. You remember okay, we were getting an issue, right? So failing over to next name node, failing over to next name node. We were getting some message. Finally, we are getting the output. Like even
Yes.
that issue also sorted out. Okay, with the new version of Jupyter. Okay. Fine, guys. Okay. So what I will do now? Okay, maybe I'll stop everything. I'll start everything.
So, sir, that failing over can happen if there is no compatibility between Zookeeper and
Name nodes.
yes, and name node. Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Failover issue also solved now.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Cluster started successfully. Okay, now let us check the status of okay. We use two zookeepers. Two resource managers, right? Now. Okay, so let us check the status of two resource managers. One is active and other one is standby. If active is down, okay, automatically standby will become active. Okay, we will test that one also. Okay, so yarn -, daemon top resource
Sir,
manager.
for Hadoop 3.2, it is not required to change, right?
Huh?
Hadoop 3.2, sir, it is not required to change.
Not required. Okay, so I stopped the second resource manager. Now you see the status of okay. First resource manager that should be active. Got it. Earlier, okay, S3N1 was standby. Okay, now after I stopped this S3N2, S3N1 has become active. Correct. Okay, I will start this resource manager. Okay, so now you see S3N2, this is standby. Here, okay, so the problem is solved now. Okay, problem is solved. Now we are able to have two resource managers. Okay, so now if you see the clash command, okay, so you can see we have Zookeeper 1, okay, and okay, we have Zookeeper. Sorry, we have resource manager 1 and we have resource manager 2. Understood? Understood or any questions? Understood or any questions, guys? We have two resources now.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in 3.2 version, Hadoop 3.2, it is not required to change the version of Zookeeper, right?
Not required, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, also, sir, I can see that Zookeeper main service is still running. Is it valid or what?
Which one?
Yesterday, Zookeeper main service was running, right, sir?
No, that is not there today, right? Is it there?
Yes, sir. With
No zookeeper service. Okay. It
quorum
was
main.
happening because it was happening because there was no other zookeeper, so inbuilt zookeeper is automatically getting started here.
Okay, sir.
Got it. But now we have separate zookeepers, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Got it, sir.
No issues at all. Okay. Now you won't see that extra zookeeper service here. Zookeeper main.
Correct, sir. Correct. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So now if you want to run a MapReduce program, okay. So this is okay. So how we enable this one? Okay. Yesterday we discussed like you can enable this RM state store implementation in two ways. One is RAM zookeeper based state store. Okay. So I have explained what is zookeeper based state store. Okay. This is what I have explained yesterday, because if we see the properties, we use ZKRM state store. Okay. Think that I don't want a ZKRM state store. Okay. I want a file system based state store. Okay. What you need to do? Just you need to open Android XML, open Android XML. So wherever you see ZKRM state store, delete this property. Okay. And in this place, you add these two properties. Okay. What is this property we are adding? We are adding a property like use file system based state store. If I use file system based state store, where to store my application state store. Okay. So it means this is second option is this SDFS one. This is SDFS. Okay. So this is what I'm giving here. This is what I'm giving. Okay. /yan/rm state store. Okay. It means on top of SDFS inside this directory it will be available. Okay. So what we will do, we'll say SDFS DFS-ls. Okay. Now, do we have this one? Yes. Yan rm state store. We have yan directory. No yan directory at all, right? Yes or no? No yan directory at all. Okay, but what we will do, let us restart. Okay, after adding the services, so let's validate the XML. That's important actually. Okay, validate the XML after making changes. Okay, validate the XML. I'm validating the on-site XML. Yes, this is fine. Okay, validate the XML. Now push it all the nodes. Put the modified XML file to all the nodes. Okay. Then restart the resource managers. Okay. Restart the resource manager. Now, what will happen? Whenever you submit any job, the application state store will be saved into SDFS. Okay. So now two resource managers are started. Okay, now what I will do? I will start one job. Okay, let's see the service state, get service state, we will see. So get service state. Okay, one will be active, obviously, other one will be standby. Okay. So the next one, let us run a program. Okay. I'm running this program.
Got it, Venkat. So earlier we that was memory based
Yes.
in Zookeeper. Now we changed it to file based in SDFS. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes. Now if you I'm executing this job. Okay. Even in between, suddenly RM is down also. Okay. Other RM will continue this job. Understood? There won't be any interruption to your job base because you have other RM. Standby will become active and active will continue your job. You got my point? Okay, so job is completed. Okay, now let us go and see here. DFS, okay. Earlier there was no yarn directory, but now I have yarn directory. Yes or no? Inside yarn, what we have? Inside yarn, we have RM state store. Inside RM state store, this is the place where RM will store the state store information. This is the directory. So whatever the job submitted, RM will write that information in this place. Understood? Understood or any questions? So this is the place. Okay, it will maintain the different information in different places actually. But at the end of the day, the complete RM state chart will be maintained in the SDFS. Okay. Any questions so far? Any questions, guys? Okay. So now, till now, okay, we have seen one RM concept and two RMs concept. Okay, so one RM and two RM concepts are from Hadoop 2x actually. In Hadoop 2x, okay, you cannot go with more than two resource managers. But when it comes to Hadoop 3x, can we go with more than two resource managers?
Yes.
That is
Yes.
the advantage, right? Okay, so in case of Hadoop 3x, okay, we can go with the multiple name nodes also. Okay, it means more than two name nodes. Here also, there is an option for more than two resource managers. Okay, so what we need to do? So let us implement, okay, four resource managers. Okay, we have four name nodes, right? Okay, let us implement resource managers. So here, when it comes to RM, you put 183 and 184 also. Okay. I'm just changing the clutch group. Okay. In the clutch group. Okay. Now if I say clutch-g RM, okay, it will give you four nodes. Okay. Ansite XML, open Ansite XML. So remove this below property. Remove this below property. Okay. What is this property which we need to delete? This is the one. This is the one which we need to delete. Okay. In that place, what we need to do? In that place, we need to add these properties. Okay. Now I'm putting four RMs. Can you see this case? I'm putting four RMs. Add these properties at the end. Okay. Now you can see there are four RMs. Okay. So now validate the XML file. Best practice, okay, to validate your XML file every time you modify it. Okay. Even if you have some small mistakes, you will understand XML is valid. Okay. So now push this modified XML file to all other nodes. Okay. So we pushed modified XML to all other nodes. Now I am stopping the processing layer and starting the processing layer. Okay. Stopping the processing layer and starting the processing layer. So I'm stopping complete RM. Okay. RM, node managers. Then okay, history servers. Then I'm starting the resource managers now. Now it should start four resource managers. Can we see four resource managers? Resource manager 1, resource manager 2, okay, resource manager 3, resource manager 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. We have four resource manager now. Okay. Now, okay, let us test. Okay, who is active and who is standby. Okay, 3 and 2 is active. Okay, others are standby. Okay. Now, when you will say your processing layer is down, guys. When you will say your processing layer is down.
When all the RMs are down, sir.
Four RMs.
When all RMs are down, then only you will say your processing layer is down. Correct or not? Correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Even one RM is up and running, and even one RM is in active state. Okay, so there won't be any problem for your jobs. Your jobs will be keep on running. So if you feel that okay, 4 RMs are not sufficient now, okay, you can go with 10 RMs, 20 RMs. It's up to you. But nobody will go. I've seen a big cluster with the 7 RMs. Okay, 7 itself is too high. Okay, hardly see if one resource manager started now, okay, it will be keep on running for months together in real time, because okay, they will use very high-end systems for master services. Okay, so they'll be continuously up and running for months together. So if I have 7 RMs also, if RM1 is active now, RM1 may become standby maybe after 2 months, 3 months. Understood. For continuously 1 or 2 months, okay, only one RM will be taken care. But there may be some company where their cluster is not good or their configuration is not good. Okay, maybe RMs will be keep rotating. But however, okay, normally in real time RMs will be very strong and they will not go down very easily. Understood. So I've shown you like, okay, how to use one RM, how to, okay, and what are the problems with one RM. Then okay, how to choose, okay, two RMs. Okay. So with two RMs also, if both RMs are down, okay, it's like entire processing layer is down. If RM is not there, okay, it is like no processing layer at all. Even though you have, okay, 1000 node miners up and running. If RM is not there, okay, processing layer is down. Okay. Okay. So
Sir, could you please explain me one more time for Jupyter based store and file system based
sir,
stores?
normally, okay, let us take this scenario. Okay. When you have multiple RMs, so when you have multiple name nodes, okay, we don't know which name node is active and which name node is standby at what time, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So when, okay, NN1 is active, it will write its own edits. When NN2 is active, it will write its own edits. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. How NN1 will know what has been written by NN2 and how NN2 will know what edits have been written by NN1?
Yeah, they have.
So we need to have a common place
Yes,
to store the edits. That common place is general node, correct?
Yes, correct.
So in HDFS, okay, we have a common place to write the edits, which is general nodes. Okay.
Yes.
In the same way, if RM, okay, if you have two RMs, how both RMs will understand, okay, what jobs are done by what RM?
They have common place for apps.
So they need to maintain the application state in a common place. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So normally, if I want that common place to be 3 times at least, there also we use 3 general nodes, right? Minimum.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So here also we need 3 places. Okay. So where we can keep that in 3 places? One is like HDFS. Okay. So why HDFS? Because okay, whatever you store on HDFS, that will go and sit 3 times. You will have replication factor. Okay. So if you write one copy of application states into HDFS, okay, normally as per HDFS standards, okay, it will write 3 times. Correct.
It's like a permanently stored.
It is permanently stored. Okay. So even if you restart, okay, your cluster 100 times also, your RM state store will not be will be there only. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But okay, here zookeepers. Okay. So other way is that okay, maintain. Okay, we have 3 zookeepers. Okay. So maintain this application state store in zookeeper memory. Okay. This is other way. Okay. So normally, okay, zookeeper memory is faster. Okay. The state store implementation is faster. But okay. What in case if all 3 zookeepers are down? Common copy of application state store will be lost. Okay. In that scenario, users have to resubmit their jobs. Okay.
Yes.
So if you have confidence, like okay, at any point of time, my zookeepers, all 3 zookeepers will not go down, or at least 2 zookeepers will not go down. If you have that confidence, go for zookeeper application state store.
Okay.
Okay. But if you don't have that confidence, then okay, you should go for HDFS state store.
That is file system based.
File system based state store. Clear?
Okay, sir.
But okay, both the places are maintaining application state store 3 copies.
Yes.
Or not?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
So inbuilt RM only the zookeeper.
RM okay, will store the common copy of application state store with all 3 zookeepers.
Yeah.
Okay. So even okay, when it is active, it will collect the jobs. Okay, and store that job information here. When this is active, this will collect the jobs information and okay, store that here. Okay, so that okay, if RM1 is down, okay, RM2 will continue RM1 jobs. If RM2 is down, RM1 will continue RM2's jobs.
Okay.
Got it. Any questions?
So every time name node service switches from active switches to a different node, even RM switches.
No, not required.
Not required. So name node service can be active in one node and RM can be active in
RM can
another
be
node.
active. Sir, actually, even though they are running together, but okay, they don't know each other, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? So does RM talk to name node?
No, only application master
Does name
talk to
node
name
talk
node.
to RM?
No.
Even though they are running on the same machine, it is like, okay, you and me both are staying in the same apartment. Okay, you are staying in your room. Okay, I'm staying in your flat. Okay, I'm staying in my flat. We don't know each other, but we are in the same apartment. Got it? Okay. So there is no rule that, okay, see, I have NN1 here, and then one name node two, 4 name nodes like this. Okay, maybe out of these 4 name nodes, this may be active. Got it? Okay. In the same way, I have RM1 running here, RM1, RM2, RM3 running here. Okay. Maybe this may be active for RM wise. There is no rule that, okay, if NN1 is active, RM1 should be active. No rule at all. Out of these 4, any one should be active. Out of these 4, any one should be active. That is fine for me. Clear?
Sure. Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So, what is the recovery resource manager recovery process? Okay. Suppose, okay, now RM1 is active. You submitted job 1 days. You submitted job 1. Okay. So you submitted. Okay. So let us take this scenario. RM1 is active. Okay. So here, okay. So you have application state store. I'll take only one copy of application state store. Okay. Application state store. And I'll put 3 copies. Okay. Okay. Now what will happen? Okay. Now RM. Okay. Somebody submitted a job. RM is active. Okay. So job 1 has been taken by RM. What RM will do? RM will update this information into application state store. That's or no? Job 1. Okay. So who submitted and all. Okay. So then, okay, what RM will do now? RM will find any node manager. So here, okay, you have node managers. Okay. Here you have node managers. Find any node managers and launch application master. That okay, application master is launched here. Okay. Now immediately RM will update. Okay. Application master. Okay. Application master attempt 1. Okay. Attempt 1 in okay, NM6 node manager 6. It will write the application master information. Okay. After that, application master. Okay. So information. Okay. After that, application master will start. Application master will contact name node. Okay. So they will write conf XML, right? Conf XML, JSON. Okay. These are the tuples will be written by application master. Okay. And these will be stored in HTML. Okay. Now suddenly, okay. So now, okay, application master went there and asked, okay, I want okay, 2 mappers. Okay. So now map 1 here, map 2 here. Okay. So map 1, attempt 1, okay, attempt 1 running. Okay. Map 2, attempt 1 running here. Okay. So 10 are launched. Okay. This time suddenly RM1 is down. What will happen this? RM1 is down. Immediately RM2 will become active. Correct? RM2 will become active. Okay. So RM2 will do? RM2 will, okay, the status is okay running. Here the job status is running. Okay. So RM2 will see all the running jobs. Okay. Here it understood that okay, so their job 1 is still in running state. Okay, so what RM2 will do? RM2 will take the responsibility of this job 1. Okay, now RM2 will see okay who is the application master, where it is running from its list. Okay, so RM2. Okay, so here application master is running here. So what application master also will do? Application master also will start sending heartbeat to RM2 now. Okay, so here, okay, cluster resource manager will hold below information. Cluster state store and application state store. Okay, cluster state store include information about all the node managers that are active, decommissioned, or lost and the resources they have. So, what is cluster state store? Cluster state store is a file which contains information about all the running node managers. Okay, this is the cluster state store. This is the cluster state. It will have information like, okay, so who is having, okay, how many running node managers we have, okay, what are the available resources with each running node manager, okay, how many cores we have, how much RAM, how much is used, okay, everything will be maintained. So this is the report. Okay. This report can be reconstructed, right? So this report is fully generated by node manager's heartbeat actually. Okay. So if standby has become active immediately, it can collect this information from each node manager and it can maintain it. Okay, not a problem. That's one. But application state store is a problem. For that application state store, we are maintaining common place and to is accessing this application state store. So this application state store will contain all the list of applications that were submitted to RM. Okay. So list of applications that were submitted to RM. Okay. So this is the information. Okay, you will have list of applications. This is the one. So you will have okay XML path. Okay, even this also. I mean, even okay, RM will maintain this also here, and JSON path also. Okay, so these two paths it will maintain here. These two paths it will maintain here. Okay, so that okay, so it will have information like what are the submitted applications, okay, whether they are running state or pending state, okay, that's a different scenario. So submitted applications, what is the current status of each application, okay, where, okay, for each job, okay, where application master is run, what is the location of conf XML, what is the location of job history JSON, okay, all this information will be available in the cluster state store. Okay. So here that's what metadata is like job submission, text application attempt level information, credentials about each application, which is nothing but these two files. Okay, and but it never holds information about okay individual containers. Okay, you think okay, source manager will have information like okay, so mapper one for job one, mapper two for mappers and reducers information. No, okay, resource manager will have only application master information, not okay this information. Normally, you take office example also. Okay, manager will have team leader mobile number, correct or not? How many managers will have employees mobile number? You got my point. Because okay, manager and employee mostly they don't talk each other mostly. Okay, so manager will talk to team leader, or team leader will talk to manager. So they will have okay their phone numbers. Okay, but okay, employee and team leader. Okay, team leader phone number will be with all employees, and the all employees phone number with the team leader. Okay, here also, okay, RMs will have information about applicant team leader. Okay, and XML paths actually. Okay, but RM will never store information like okay, what is application, where is mapper one last, where is mapper two last, where is okay reducer one last, like that. Okay. So after RM restarts or after standby become active, okay, all node managers register with the new RM and send the information about the containers that are still running as well as those that may have finished. Okay. So once okay, any RM has become active or any RM has restarted, okay, what will happen? All node managers will send a heartbeat, will start sending a heartbeat. In that heartbeat, they'll send information like, okay, what are the total resources, okay, allocated resources, okay, available resources. And in that allocated resources, okay, how many containers we have, and like, what is the current status of each container. All that information will be given to resource manager, okay. And all application masters will register with RM again and send the current state of their corresponding applications. All application masters also will go and register with the new RM and send the current status of their jobs. Okay, so that's where the connectivity started. So from there they will continue. From now onwards, okay, if RM requires resources to launch reducer, or application master requires resources to launch reducer, application master will contact RM2, not RM1. Understood? Understood? Or any questions?
One question, like, see, this application state store is stored in in means now in this case we are storing in SDFS, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But cluster state store is need not
Is
to
it
be
still in
stored here.
memory? No, still in
Okay,
memory. Cluster state is always in memory.
okay, sure. Got
Because
it.
that can be reconstructed, right?
Yeah, that can be anytime reconstructed. Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Any other questions, guys? I'm talking about only application state store. Okay, cluster station can be reconstructed whenever you want. Okay, so that's how the RM recovery process will work. Okay, any questions till now? Any questions till now, guys? Okay, so we'll do one thing. Okay, the next one. Okay, so what are the history servers in YARN? Okay, what is a history server, guys? First of all, okay, somebody asked me, sir, we have started as. Have you ever thought what is this history server? What is this history server? Okay, so normally, okay, so normally you take RM concept. Okay, RM resource manager. Then you have job history server. Okay, so users will be sending. Okay, so users will be developers. Okay, so developers will be submitting the jobs. Yes or no? Or not? Developers will be submitting the jobs. Okay, whenever they submit jobs, okay, will be given to resource manager. Correct or not? Huh? Okay. So now I told that. Okay, I told like okay in our environment. Okay, every 1 hour. Okay, every 1 hour there will be 12,500 jobs submitted. Understand, sir? 12,500 jobs submitted. Okay, so now whenever you submit a job, okay, RM will have application state store, right? So submitted job one information here. Okay. Application one. So like application two, okay. Application one, okay. So within by okay 10,001. Okay, this okay 12,500. Okay, 158. Okay, so by end of the day you will see like 3 lakhs. Okay, so application state store is a place okay, where RM will write all applications. Yes or no? Whatever the application it is receiving. Okay. Now in our example, okay, RM is receiving daily 3 lakh jobs. Okay, daily how many jobs it is receiving? 3 lakh jobs. It means okay, how many entries will be there inside this application state store now?
3 lakh entries every
3
day.
lakh entries will be there. Yes or no? Okay. Now the question is that okay, so like this, okay, today 3 lakhs, tomorrow 3 lakhs, day after tomorrow 3 lakhs. Okay, like that, okay. Every day application state store will be keep on filling, right? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Every day application state store file will be keep on filling with more and more entries. Okay. If I continue like this, okay, for 3 days, okay. After 3 days, okay, now inside application state store, you will have 9 lakh entries, 9 lakhs jobs information. Correct. Okay. So don't you think that okay, maintaining okay 3 lakhs, 9 lakhs, okay, jobs information, okay, in one application state store, okay, is difficult? Definitely difficult.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is the reason, okay, what we are saying, okay, we are saying RM, because if you see here about and okay, there is something called okay configuration here. Configuration. Okay. So here, can you see this one? What is this property here? This is a property we have here. The property value is 10,000. What is this 10,000? I am telling RM, RM, at any point of time, you keep okay latest 10,000 jobs only. So there is a property maximum completed applications 10,000. What does it mean? So it means okay at any point of time RM will maintain only last 10,000. Okay. So what is last 10,000 okay, in this scenario? What is last 10,000 jobs? 2,90,000 to 3 lakhs. That is last 10,000 jobs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So what is last 10,000? Okay. See, if I say last job is 3 lakh, okay, what are those last 10,000 jobs? 2,90,000 to 3 lakh are the last 10,000 jobs. Okay. So RM will maintain it. At any point of RM will maintain only last 10,000 applications. Okay. Anything beyond that, it will keep on deleting it. Understood? Okay. Anything beyond that, it will keep on moving this information to job history server. Here it will keep at any point of time. Okay, it will keep only last 10,000. Okay. So whatever is completed here, it will be keep on moving to history server. The name itself is history server. Yes or no? Okay. So in a day, if you run 3 lakhs jobs, okay, last 10,000 jobs will be in RM. Okay. Prior to this, all these jobs, okay, will be in job history server. Understood? Or any questions? Okay. So, but this job history server can now you may ask me, sir, how many days this job history server can hold this information? Okay. So by default, okay, this will hold 7 days application. After 7 days, okay, it will automatically delete all the old applications. Any applications which are more than 7 days, that those applications will be automatically deleted.
We
Understood?
can customize, sir, the 7 days.
Of course, yes, you can customize. If you want to customize, yes, you can customize.
Is there any by default value, sir? Just 7 days.
This is 7 days is by default value.
Okay.
7 days is by default value. But if you want to customize, you can customize this one.
Is based on number of days, sir, or number of applications?
Number of applications, sir, not number of. Okay, this is days. This is days. Job is 7, number of days.
That means per day, for example, 5 lakhs
Per day, okay, let
applications.
it come, okay, 10,000. Not a, okay, 10 lakhs also not a problem.
Yeah, okay. That means RM can able to store 1 minute of application.
Not 1 minute, 1 hour mostly. Or 50 minutes in this scenario. Last 10,000 means
10,000
So-
means as per your, it's okay, sir.
last 10,000 applications, sir. Every
Yeah,
1
okay.
hour, okay, we are submitting 12,500.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Got it? It means, okay, maybe, okay, around 45 minutes jobs, okay, it will hold. Last 45 minutes jobs. Anything beyond that, okay, it will move to job history server. Understood? So when it comes to job history server, here, okay, you can put, okay, the retention in days. Here it is number of applications, but here retention is in days. Okay. But okay, just imagine, okay, for us, if you maintain, okay, 3 lakhs jobs, if you run 3 lakhs jobs in a day, okay, if I want to maintain 7 days data, how many jobs information I need to maintain? 21 lakhs jobs information I need to maintain. Don't you think that will take a lot of space?
Yeah, there's
Yeah.
space.
So that is the reason in our environment, okay, we set this to 2 days. It means
So all
only,
these both properties are there in yarn site.xml, correct?
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we have set this property to 2 days. Okay. So after 2 days, this will be, it means at any point of time, we maintain last 2 days jobs. Understand? Understand, yes.
So Java history server also includes latest jobs as well.
Of course, yes, sir. Okay. These 10,000 also will be included here. Understood?
Okay.
Whatever you are running here, those also you can see in the job history server. But normally, okay, whatever you see here, okay, you can see, but normally we should think like, okay, whenever this is completed, then only it will push it to job history server.
So,
Okay.
sir, as soon as job gets completed, it will push or?
Yes, sir. It will push immediately. Immediately, it will push.
Oh, okay. Even in running state, it will push. Yes.
No.
That's
Okay, once it is completed.
Okay, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Got it. Okay. Once this is completed in RM, even though it is in RM, okay, it will send one copy to job history server also. If the job is completed, I can see in RM also latest job, and I can see the same latest job in job history server also. Got it.
Sir, what is the purpose of that job history server, sir? Why you are saying that?
Suppose, sir, okay. You take this scenario, sir. Okay. In our environment, in 1 hour, how many jobs we are running?
12,500.
12,500. Okay. Let's say, okay, so Nandu. Okay. So you submitted a job at 7 o'clock, sir. Okay. Your job is job 1. Okay. So now, okay, now time is 7:30. 7:30. So 7:30 means okay, almost okay. Okay, 12 means okay. 6,000 free jobs are submitted. Job 6,250. Okay. Now time is okay 7:45. 7:50. Okay. So job 1,000 is completed. Or no?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now time is 8 o'clock. So job 1250. Now tell me, okay. Now okay, so Nandu, you submitted a job at 7 o'clock. Your job ID is job 1. Okay. You went for a breakfast, but unfortunately the breakfast has taken some extra time. So you came back okay at 8 o'clock. When okay, 8 o'clock, when Nandu come back at 8 o'clock and check this job, okay, will it be in RM? What RM will do? It will mention only last 10,000. When I say last 10,000, only this is the jobs. Last 10,000 means 2,500 to 12,500. Okay. Then where is Nandu's job? Is it with RM now?
No.
Then where Nandu will check his job status?
Okay, meanwhile, so many are submitting the jobs. That is the reason.
Even completed jobs only will store it into the.
Even okay, completed failed. Okay, sir. Anything apart, okay, after running, okay, let it be successfully completed or failed, whatever it is, okay, it will go and sit inside job history server.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
So
So
one
job
general
history server
question I have is like, see, in job application server or job history server, jobs are saved with the application number. There
yes.
should be some place where there is mapping between this application means job application number and jar which we submitted. Yes, because otherwise for a layman it is very difficult to trace which jar he submitted or something. Yes.
Sir, okay, see, for Nandu, he should remember his job ID, sir. There is no other way. Okay? Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Just to remember this. Okay? So now, maybe after 8 o'clock, Nandu will come and check here. Here, okay, you will not see the job
There
ID.
is no job ID in this.
Okay? There is
Correct.
no job ID. What you need to do, you need to go to job history server. Can you see this is the job history server? Here you can see on 24th job also. Can you see?
Yeah, job.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
So tomorrow you will not see 24th job. Why?
So, but how will you? That is my job ID. How I know?
You should remember, sir. You should note down. When you submit a job, it will give you immediately job ID, right?
Yes, sir.
The job ID is not available on the this.
But sir,
Sir.
if automation job is submitting this, and then we need to track it down. Yes, everything.
Even
Like,
if automation job is submitting this job, automation job will have this job ID. Okay. See here, okay, when you submit a job, immediately it is giving an application ID or not?
yes, sir. We are receiving that.
Yes, yes. You will have this ID, and you need to note down this ID somewhere.
You have to note down manually, sir. I mean.
Okay, good question, sir. Sir, let us take this scenario, sir. Okay. Have you ever submitted insurance claim, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us take this scenario. Okay, you submitted insurance claims. Okay, what they will do after taking your documents?
They will verify that.
Claim ID. They'll give a claim ID.
Okay.
Okay, so they will say, okay, sir, please remember this claim ID. Okay, next time when you come here, okay, you give me this claim ID. I will give you the status. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What will happen if you lost? Okay, if you lose your claim ID?
You have to contact that company. You don't have any other option.
Again, okay. So is it easy to find out your job, your claim ID? They will
Yes.
struggle, right?
Yes.
It may be possible, but they will struggle a little bit because okay, they'll ask, okay, tell me your date of birth, your name, PAN card, Aadhaar card. They'll ask so many details. Finally, they'll fetch okay, your claim ID. Okay, if you have claim ID, if you note down the claim ID clearly, it is easy to track your job immediately.
So is there any mechanism that that all jobs stored which is done by us instead of remembering manually? So is there
You
any
can see, right? Okay, see here you can see here. Okay. Now I want to see the jobs submitted by Alan.
by user? Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Just okay,
Can
just say Alan. Okay. Otherwise, okay. So very good question, but okay. In RM in the UI it may not be possible, but okay. In the command line it is possible. Understood? In command line it is possible. I've given that command. I didn't execute that command actually, but I have given that command. Okay. Now if I say okay, yarn application list all states, how many it is showing?
or
Okay. Yarn application list all states. Okay. Hyphen user. Okay. Okay.
yes, sir.
సార్ జాబ్ హిస్టరీ సర్వర్లో రన్ చేస్తారు సార్ అప్పుడు జాబ్.
One second.
Access to the job history server, it's a developer part of job or admin part of job?
One second. Sir. Set all. Okay. But here is hyphen user. So by user. For 1 second, okay?
చరణ్ కలిపి వెళ్తున్నావా?
But actually there is a command, sir. Okay, so maybe I'll check and let you know. Okay.
Sir, in case if the job is submitted and it's still running for 1 hour, that won't be pushed to job history, right? It will be
It will
still
not.
in.
It will not be moved to job history server. It will be still there only. Got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. We'll try with Talan. Okay, maybe. So maybe this is one way you can try. You can give it a try. You can grab. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Yeah, this is the one way. Okay, other way. Grab. Grab by user. Okay. So fine, guys. Okay, so ST servers. Okay, normally ST servers are the ones which will allow users to retrieve the applications. Okay, current and historical information. Okay, so you can see the latest information and the old jobs information also. Okay, but here, guys, okay, see there are different type of job servers. Normally, if you see Yarn, Yarn can run, Yarn can run. See Yarn can run MapReduce jobs. It can run Spark jobs, run Storm jobs. It can run, okay, so different type of jobs. Okay, so they mean, okay, real time jobs. There are different jobs that can be executed by Yarn actually. Okay,
Sir,
but
Uzi jobs also run.
those are all map. Sir, okay, Uzi is a system to run these jobs.
Okay.
Understood? In Uzi, you can schedule these jobs. End of the day, Uzi also will run these jobs only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Understood? Okay. So here, okay, so initially, okay, so we had, okay, separate job history servers case. Okay, so here this is called as MR job history server. Spark, okay, you have Spark job history server. Okay. But okay, later they felt like, hey, so Yan can run so many jobs, okay, real-time jobs, Scrum jobs, Spark jobs, okay. For every type of jobs, okay, it is providing, okay, separate job history server is very difficult. So let us provide, okay, one common job history server for all these jobs. Okay, so that is nothing but your Yan timeline server. This Yan timeline server, if you see, okay, person, okay, let's say Venkata submitted 10 MapReduce jobs, 10 Spark jobs. Okay, if we see in MR job history server, will you see Spark jobs? So Venkata submitted 10 MR jobs. Okay, Spark jobs. Okay, 10 Spark jobs. Okay, so now if you want to see his 10 MR jobs, he has to log into MR job history server. You want to see his 10 Spark jobs, okay, he has to log into Spark history server. You need to see this one. Okay, so MR history server will not have Spark jobs, will not show Spark jobs, or Spark job history server will not show MR jobs. Okay, but okay, I want to see all the jobs in one place. Okay, so Yarn timeline server is the one, okay, which will show. It will show both. It will show both. The untimeless server is the one which can show all kind of jobs. Understood? Understood, or any questions, guys?
So this is the job history server for processing layer.
This is the latest job history server which is given by Hortonworks. Okay, which contains all the jobs in one place. This is best, right, compared to this one. So there's an Apple job, I need to check in one UI. Okay, well, Spark job history server, okay, I need to check in Spark UI. Okay, so it's really difficult to manage jobs in this scenario. Okay, so that's the reason they come up with a new solution which is called as an untimeless server. But okay, did we start an untimeless server? We didn't start an untimeless server. Okay, we started only MR job history server. Okay, I will show you how the timeless server and all will work. Okay, I will show you in the later stages. Clear?
Sir, you have to start manually, sir, or it will install
Manually, sir. Manually.
If you require, we have to start manually.
Yes. Understood? Any questions? Okay. So MR job history server, it supports only MR jobs. Okay. It runs on 198 port. And Spark history server, it supports only Spark jobs. Okay. So 18080 port number. But the untimeless server means So this is the one which will run on 8188 port number. It supports all your jobs. Understood? So it will have information like what is the application ID, username, QName, number of attempts, information about all the containers. Okay, so it means end-to-end information about your job can be seen from timeless server. Okay, so when I say S3 servers will maintain all running jobs information, succeeded job information, failed jobs information, even killed job information also. It is not only succeeded jobs. It can store any job you submit, end of the day, it will go to job history server. Got it? Okay, so nothing much to talk about history servers. Okay, so only thing is that so we have history servers which maintain the old jobs information. Okay, why old job information needs to be maintained? Because RM will maintain only last 10,000 jobs. Anything beyond that, should be pushed to history server. Yes, sir.
ML job, Spark job, whatever the jobs that developers were running, they were using the same language or different languages. So right.
They're using
same languages. I mean, they were following this.
It can be same. It can be, sir. Spark means you can write Java code in Spark also, right? Okay. You can write Java code in MR also. Code may let's not worry about code. Okay. So end of the day, who will write MR jobs? Who will write Spark jobs? That purely depends on developers, not for us.
Yeah.
Correct.
And one basic question, sir. Like to run any job, yarn job, is it mandatory to have data in HDFS before running any yarn job?
Okay. Sir, at this moment you take it like yes, but in future, in future answer may be no, but at this moment whatever you have understood so far, the answer is yes.
Okay.
If you want to run an MR job, at this moment you need data on HDFS, but there will be some MR jobs which will talk to some system and get the data from that system and put it into HDFS. Understood?
I got it, sir.
In this scenario, source is not HDFS, right? Destination is HDFS.
Yeah.
For MR job, the source can be different and destination can be HDFS. Okay, but that is the future scenarios. Okay, but at this moment, whatever you have seen, think that MR job input should be on HDFS, output also on HDFS. Later it will change for sure. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Sure, sir.
Okay. The next one is Hadoop file formats. Yes. What are the different file formats we have? Supported by Hadoop. Normally, we all know that. Let's say there is a photo base. Okay, so let's take some photo. Let's download. This is the save image. Yes. So this is the image I downloaded from internet. Where is this one? Hadoop. This is the one. Okay. So what is the format here, guys? What is the format here? Properties. This is PNG file. Okay. What is the size of this file? Okay. 8.17 KB. Okay. What I will do this one. Okay. Now you see, this is stored like JPG. What is the format? What is the size of this PNG file? PNG file is 8.17 KB. Okay. This is 21 KB. Okay. So here I have the same file. Hadoop picture I downloaded. Hadoop logo I downloaded. Okay. If I store in PNG format, it is like 8.17 KB. Yes or no? If I store in JPG format, it is coming like 22 KB. Okay. But both pictures are same or not, guys? Is this the same? Both are same, right? You are seeing Hadoop 1, Hadoop. Both are same.
Yes.
Okay. But why size difference? When I store in different formats. Here you see almost 3 times this one. JPG is almost 3 times than 3 times to PNG. Yes or no? So if I use 100 KB here, I should use 100 KB here. Yes or no? But same data, same picture. Right or not? Right or not, guys?
Maybe resolution is more.
But whatever, sir, you are seeing the same picture, right?
Yes, sir, it's same.
Then, just 1 second. Call from office. Okay. Yeah, sorry, guys. Yeah. So understood. Okay. So because of the format, okay, the size also changing. Yes or no? Okay. So in the same way, okay, you take Hadoop. Okay. So your data, whatever data you have, okay, your data can be stored in text format, CSV format, TSV format. Okay. We all know text files. Okay. CSV files, comma separated values. Okay. Tab separated values. Okay. You know all these things. Okay. And JSON files. Okay. So JSON file formats. Okay. So JavaScript notation files actually. Okay. Avro files, sequence files, RC files, WARC files, Parquet files. Okay. So whatever the data you store in Hadoop, okay, normally your data will be stored in any one of these formats. Understand? Okay. But what is the best format out of all these things? What is the best format? See, end of the day, okay, let us take this scenario. Okay, so instead of this one, I will some text itself. Okay. Change of zookeeper. Okay, so what is the size of change of zookeeper? 5.3 KB. Yes or no? This file. Okay. If it's in TXT format, okay, 5.3 KB. Okay. Now what I will do, I'll just open this one, Control C, okay, and I'll store it into one Word document. The same data, right? Even if you open this one, okay, it is the same data. Or if you open this file, it is the same data. Yes or no? Okay, same. See, there, okay, you are thinking about resolution and all, right? But now, okay, what you will think about resolution now? You will thinking about resolution now. Data, right? Okay. Now let us see the difference between both the sizes. This is 5.3 KB, and if you see this one properties, this is like okay 13 KB. Okay. If I store the same file, same data into Word docx file, it is coming like 13 KB. Here, almost again 3 times, 2.5 times. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? So here, if I use if my file size 100 KB, I should use 250 KB here. If I store the same data in docx format. So in the same way, okay. So here, normally you store okay in Hadoop, okay, whatever the data you store. Who will store the data into Hadoop cluster? Guys, admin store the data, or developers will store the data.
Admin. No,
Admins.
developer.
Developers, okay. Do you know what? See, our work is just to set up the cluster and make sure the cluster is up and running. If any service is down, okay, we need to restart it. Okay, any service is having problem, we need to fix it. Okay, any jobs are not running, we need to fix it. Okay, but end of the day, running the jobs, copying the data into Hadoop cluster, everything will be done by developers. Okay, so this information is majorly for developers, but okay, interview people may ask. That is the reason I'm explaining here. Okay, so here, okay. So there was a study done. Okay, they have taken 585 GB of data. 585 GB of data. Okay, this is GB of data. Okay. So, okay, if I say this is 100%, this is 100%. Okay. If I store this into SDFS, how much it will take? It's into 3 times, right? Replication factor. Sir, tell me.
Yes, sir. 3 times.
With replication factor, how much it will become? So it means okay, this into 3. 300. Okay. This is a text format. Okay. The same file, okay, if I store same data, if I store in RC file format. Okay. The same data, it is taking only 595 GB. Okay. That means how much reduction we have here? Huh? Okay. How much space it has taken? %. Okay. With 86% of the space, you can do it. Okay. So here, if I put the same thing in Hadoop, okay, it will become okay. Okay, you require only if you want to maintain okay the same data in 3 copies, you require only this much. Okay, 259%. Okay, the same data if I store in Parquet, okay, it's coming like 221 GB. Okay, same file, ORC file format, it is coming like 131 GB. You know, how much okay difference we are seeing, guys? How much difference? See, whatever data you are storing 585 GB data, if I store the same data in ORC file format, it is taking only 131 GB. If I put this 131 GB into Hadoop, okay, with 3 copies, okay, it is taken 393 GB. Okay, which is not even 1 copy of text format. Yes or no? See, in the place of 300 this much GB, you are using only 393 GB. How much you are saving here? How much GB you are saving here? So if you compare text format and ORC format, okay, you are saving almost okay 1300 GB. It means okay 1.14 times you are saving.
Almost.
Yes or no? Okay, times you are saving. That's the difference, guys. So that is the reason in real time. Okay, so better we need to encourage our developers to store their data into market format or WRC file format. Understood?
But which one is user friendly, sir?
All are user friendly. All are user friendly. Sir, okay, out of these two, which one is user friendly, sir? Out of these two, is it user friendly or okay? Which one is user friendly?
Both.
You can do copy paste from here also, there also. Both are user friendly only. Sir, no.
But performance also we need to look, yes.
That's what, sir. Performance is okay. Which one is good performance wise? So the small size one is always good for performance one, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Got it.
Okay, so that's what we need to check. Okay, so these are the different file formats used by developers, and okay, so as our it is our responsibility to encourage them to store this data in these formats. Understood? Understood? Or any questions?
So they will convert the data, sir, in one format to another format.
They will convert, sir. Okay, that's their headache. Okay, it's not our headache.
Okay,
We
by
just
using
need to
any
tell them,
third-party-
sir, please don't ask me. Okay, how they convert and all. Okay, that's their headache. I never converted.
Okay.
Okay, I never converted. Okay, so and it is I never touched user data in last 8 years because okay, that's not our responsibility, right?
Okay.
Sir, what user store on HDFS is not okay our headache.
No, sir. I'm
Understand?
asking just by for the converting purpose. Are they using any Hadoop echo tools? That's what
That
I'm
I'm
asking.
not sure, sir. No. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, except these formats can't store in HDFS.
It's not like that, sir. You can store any format. You can store any format, but these are the best formats.
Okay.
Sir, your picture can be stored in different formats. But what is best format? You will have some best formats, right?
Yes,
A
sir.
developer will choose the best format, sir.
Best format. If they are not choosing, okay, they are not choosing.
Any better in the market, separate format, they will choose that one.
Exactly.
Thank you, sir.
Next one, compression format supported by Hadoop. What is this compression format, guys? What is compression?
Like zip.
Zip. Okay, see. Now okay, you have a file here. Okay. Now this is the product circle document. Okay. So the size of this document is okay 7.69 KB. Okay. Maybe after zipping this one, okay, let's say I will press the zip file. Okay. Now you see for the size of this file 3 KB. Yes or no? Size is reduced or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
7 KB has become 3.2 KB. Okay.
Yeah.
It's the same file. If I zip it, okay, it has become 3.2 KB. Okay. So that's called compression actually. So Hadoop supports these compressions effectively. There are many other compressions in world, okay, but Hadoop supports these compressions. Okay, what are the compression formats? Deflate, ggip, bzip, snappy, LZO. Okay, so out of all these things, which one is better? Okay, let us see the compression ratio. Okay, so compression ratio means okay. So here, okay, if you give 100 MB file to deflate algorithm, it can reduce maximum 28 MB, 28%. Understand? Understand, guys? So if you give 100 MB file to deflate algorithm, it will give you a file which is between 72 and 100 MB.
Yes.
Okay. The same thing if I give to ggip algorithm, it can give you 72 and 100 MB, between 72 and 100 MB. Okay. Bzip. Okay, it will give you 79 to 100 MB. Okay, and snappy 60 to 100 MB. Okay, it can give, if you give a file 100 MB file, it may give 60 MB output also, or it may give 70 MB output also, it may give 80 MB also, 90 also, 100 also. Okay, so it means 60 to 100, LZO 59 to 100. So if you see these ratios, which one is better? Huh? 41 is better, right? if you give 100 MB file, if it is giving 59 MB, super, right? It reduced maximum. 50% it reduced, almost 40% it reduced, 41%. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the compression ratio should be more. Okay, that is a good algorithm. Okay, so in this scenario, LZO or Snappy, these two are the best algorithms, best compression formats. Okay, supported in Hadoop. Okay, most of the people will use either Snappy or LZO. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, and even the performance will increase also. What is the time reduced to read the compression file? Okay, how much time reduced here? Okay, so 100%, 80% it reduced. Okay, while reading also you can see some benefits here. Okay, but here 100%, 21%. Okay, so time is reduced a lot here. Okay, so here,
But sir, for reading we need to uncompress, yes. So IO performance, I didn't get this kind.
okay,
Yeah.
sir, here, okay, normally if you compress more, IO performance will be less. Correct or not?
Correct, sir.
Okay, so but however you are getting good performance, right?
Yes.
21% is not a bad percent.
Even after compression, it can read with this percentage increase.
Sir, okay. Very simple, sir. Okay. If you compress a lot, okay, even okay, while opening also it will take that much time, right? Huh? If you tight everything close, okay. I mean, if you close everything very tightly, opening also will take, okay, like that only, right? Extra time, right?
Yes, opening will also take extra time, correct.
So compression, okay, uncompression also will take extra time, right?
Yes,
so that's
sir.
the reason okay, performance will be impacted here. Okay, but however, okay, see, normally people will take compression ratio as a best measure and okay, they go with this. So real time, LZO or Snappy are the best compression methods. Okay, and again, okay, do we compress the data? No, developers will compress the data. So we no need to worry about this compression formats also. We just
Okay, sir,
encourage them to use these formats. Okay.
Sir, the data will be automatically compressed, right? We need to just mention.
No. It is not automatically compressed. No.
So we need to mention in configuration file, right?
Yes.
And it will automatically.
Yes, then it will be automatically compressed.
Yeah, that's what, sir. Because we don't go for one by one compression.
Yes.
That's not possible, right?
Yes.
Got it, sir. So it is kind of archiving.
Yes.
Developers will archive the old data if it is not required, kind of activity,
Exactly.
maybe by automation job or manually. We don't know, but they are doing it.
Yes. They do it. It's not.
Got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So commissioning nodes. Okay.
So on top of Parquet format, we can still use this LZO compression, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, these compression techniques are used in storage level as well. Like if we
sir, these are only for storage, sir. Okay, what in cost what you will do?
Normal, I am telling sir, normal storage. Somebody worked on normal storage like 3 power and EV and all. These techniques are there also.
Yes.
ZFS and all.
Yes,
sir.
Sir, Venkat sir, in your environment, LZO is used or Snappy?
LZO, Snappy, both, sir. We enabled both. Okay, so developers can use anyone.
Okay.
But we don't have much difference, right? Okay, we have only 1% difference between these two.
But IO performance wise,
even IO performance also just 4% extra, Snappy, but 1% less here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, that's what, sir. We don't force actually. We installed both the Snappy and LZO. It is up to them of what they want to use.
Okay, sir. Fine.
So the next one is commissioning nodes to the cluster, guys. What do you mean of commissioning nodes to the cluster? How do you add a new node to the cluster? Like, okay, now if you see how many nodes we have in the cluster? How many nodes we have in the cluster? We have total 6 nodes. Okay. We have total 6 nodes in the cluster. 3 and 1. normally, okay, so here, okay, so you take this one, okay. So name nodes, the name node, okay. So okay. Normally when there is extension, okay, usually what you will extend master nodes or will you extend worker nodes?
Worker nodes.
Worker nodes only. Okay, so normally masters will be the same. Okay, so you will be adding the new workers only. Okay, so now what we will do, let us add one more data node and node manager. Okay, S3 N6 let us add. Okay, let us add S3 N6. This is what the plan now, S3 N6. Okay, so then what I'm doing, okay, my cluster is still running state. I will go to base VM. I'll take a clone of this base VM. Okay, I will say S3 N6. I'm taking a clone of this one. So guys, okay, how to add new nodes to the cluster I'm explaining. Okay, just put it here. Okay, now start this one. We need to change the IP address, right? So it is a clone of base VM, right? Okay, in that case, it will have the same base VM IP address. Now I need to change it actually. So root welcome one. So I'm running the bash command bash where www.html no setup search S3 N6. Yes. Resetting the IP address and password. Yes, it is powered off. Okay. Now start this VM. Okay. Now, okay. So get a new node, install OS, install Java. In case of VMs, okay, clone the node and set the static IP. Yes, we have done this one. Okay. Now, okay, start this one. It is started. The VM is started. Now, okay, go to putting. Okay, connect to this one S3 and 6. Okay, so S3 and 6 is working now. Okay, what we need to do? We need to get a passwordless SSH.
Venkat, just one question. Earlier, when you installed base VM, you chose 10 GB RAM. Yes. So,
yes,
so 6 already running. How it supported 7th? Just a general question, if you can.
Right. Okay, right click on this one. How much is preset in my laptop? Okay, memory.
Because sir's laptop is kind of server, not laptop.
Okay, even I use 10. Are they using 10?
No, they are using less.
They are ideal, right? Okay, they are not running any jobs and all, right? They are ideal.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So for those 6 VMs, okay, it is taking hardly 30 GB. I have 34 GB free still.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
okay, sir, got it.
I can take it now. So now what I'm doing as a first step, I created password SSH. Okay, after that, okay, add this entry in the hash group. So we need to add this in the 187 IP address. 187. So then Hadoop nodes also. I need to add 187. Now also we need to add 187. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So now cluster-g all. Yes. Okay. We can.
Sir, instead of doing in this machine, can we do it in S3N1 and push all the configuration directly?
That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing, right?
But we are doing it in S3 and 6, correct, sir? So.
See, sir, S3N1 only.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, got it. Yes.
Now, okay. I copied the ETC NTP configuration file. To this one, I'm setting up the NTP configuration. Restart NTP. Okay, so now 187 will start listening the name node. Okay, so it will start collecting the date from name node machine. Okay, after that copy. Okay, this file etc profile file. Okay, close once and okay, open this ones. So profile files. Okay, then okay, what I am doing. Okay, so copy this Hadoop 3.3 to new machine base. I'm copying to only 187 machine. Okay, now extract. Everything I'm executing on 187 machine, newly added machine. I'm extracting Hadoop. Okay, after that, I'm creating the soft link in the ownership. Okay, so now you have 187 also Hadoop is installed. But okay, here Hadoop has complete what to say, 20 configuration files. Now open workers file, add this 187 entry also. Okay, and again, not only this workers file, modify topology file also, sir. This is very important. Okay, modify topology data. Here you add one more 187 with a rank 4. So copy the modified configuration file. So copy the modified configuration file to all other nodes. Yes. Okay. Now create the. Okay. So in the create log and all. Okay. So now what I'm doing, try to understand this. Okay. So before starting this one, okay, what I will do, I will take you to the name node UI. Under name node UI, how many data nodes we have, guys? How many data nodes we have? Huh? S3 and 3, S3 and 4 and 5. Okay, yes, so how many blocks we have? Okay, I will take the screenshot of this one. Print the screen. Okay. Before this one, before starting up new data node. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and before starting up, I will take yarn also. Nodes. Okay, now. Okay, print 3. Okay. Like the print is not working.
मेरी बात हुई है.
Okay, this is the one. Okay, so both are there. Okay, now what we will do, I will start. First, I will start the node, data node. Everything is completed. I'm starting the data node. Yes. Now you go and refresh the name node. Yes, refresh. Now, how many data nodes are there? Four data nodes. Okay. So now, okay, we should check, okay, whether any blocks are getting copied slowly or not. Okay. So I told you, right? Okay, the blocks copying will be late.
Yes, sir. With less speed, 1 MB per second something.
1 MB per second. Because so this will take lot of time actually. Okay. So normally, what we do after adding node manager, so after adding data node, okay. So shall I start even node manager also? I will start node manager also. Now you see 187 machine, you have data node and node manager. Okay. Now you go back and see the resource manager UI option. Refresh. Extra node is added or not? S3 and 6. Okay. So that's also telling that I have 16 GB, 16 GB. So total now I have total 4 node managers. Yes or no? Okay. So once this is done, what we need to do? Okay. Now check name node UI and resource manager for mentioning status changes. Now running the balancer. Okay. Run the balancer here. Okay. So here it is balancer says that okay. Not even one copied here. No. Okay. But this will happen. Okay. It's a background thread. Okay. This will happen slowly, sir. Nothing to worry about this one. Clear? Clear or not? Okay. Now.
The balance immediately will happen. Yes. Block balancing. Correct, sir?
Sorry, sir.
Now we initiated balancing.
But still it is saying that okay. So it is saying. Okay, STF's balancer threshold. Okay, so it is saying that okay. The replaced or replaced. Okay, so the cluster is balanced. It is saying.
But sir, how come this is not balanced? Yes, because
this is not balanced. Yes, yes.
No, sir. It is telling cluster is balanced in the name of nodes now. Now the chunklets and all will be relocating internally. That is,
it will take some time, sir. Definitely, you will see.
That status we can check from the cluster health actually.
Yes, yes.
Sir, my one question. How it get to know that we are adding data node only?
Because you are starting the services, right? What services after adding a node? Okay, after doing all the Hadoop configuration, what are you starting here? What services you are starting?
Okay, by that only it will.
You are starting. If you start data node, okay, it will treat like I'm a data node.
Okay, sir.
Got it.
If you start node manager, then it will take like
yes.
node and node
yes.
manager. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So this is how okay, you will be adding the new name, new nodes to the cluster case. Okay. So the process here is that okay. So here.
But sir, one thing is still not clear to me. Why balancer? That command didn't help here to us.
It didn't help, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Even I am thinking so. We set the balancer bandwidth. Okay. Sure. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay. There may be some minimum size to move and maximum size to move. Okay. Minimum size to move. Okay. Okay, can you see this one? Okay, what it is saying? Huh?
Yes, sir.
What is the minimum
balancer
size?
block size.
Huh?
Minimum is good.
See the total data we have. Total data we have. Okay. 1024. 1024. 1024. Okay. 0.19 MB we have. Not 19 GB. Understand?
Okay, sir.
RK 1024. Okay. So nearly 204. 204 MB. Okay, we have at this moment.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but what it is saying that okay, average minimum block size and maximum size to move. Okay, if the data is okay between 10 GB and 100 GB, then only it will start moving the data. That's what it is saying. Balancer.
Okay, sir. Got it. Yeah. Because of this only, it is not doing balancing.
Exactly. Got it. Okay, but however, okay, so I will try to find okay some way just to make it work. Okay, I will change this to minimum size and I will try to push it. Okay. The next thing, guys. Okay, so we have next thing. Okay, we have is decommissioning the node. Okay, the commissioning is done. Normally, if you want to add a new node, okay, we need to add this ID in the include.txt. But okay, even if you don't add in include.txt also, okay, just okay, update this static server IP address for data nodes and node managers. Okay, so then okay, start data node services. Okay, even if you don't do refresh nodes, okay, it will work. Guys. Okay, even okay, if you don't do refresh nodes, it will work. Commissioning is not at all a problem, but decommissioning is okay. Bit carefully we need to do. Okay, what is this decommissioning here? When I said decommissioning here, okay, what we need to do, whatever node you want to decommission, first okay, you need to put that IP in the what node you want to decommission. Now okay, we have total 4 data nodes. Okay, so what node okay, we need to decommission? Okay, let's say I want to decommission 185 machine. Okay, so what I need to do decommission a data node or okay, node manager. First okay, add this ID. Whatever servers you want to decommission, add those IDs under exclude.txt. Insert. Okay, here you add the type address. I want to delete, want to decommission 185 machine. Understood? 185 machine. Are you clear? Okay, 185 machine. I updated the address there. Now you push this configuration file, modified configuration file to all other nodes. Because we might change in exclude.txt, right? We push it there. Okay. So now, okay, what you need to do, you just need to do refresh nodes. Okay. Before running this refresh nodes, okay, we will just okay, see the status here. So this is the status, print screen. Okay, so here, okay, so you have four here. Okay. Now, okay, when you say refresh nodes, now you start seeing this one. Can you see this one? What is this, guys? S3 and 5 symbol got changed. What is the symbol meaning? Decommissioning. The process in progress. Okay. Now you refresh. Now you see, yes, slowly some of the blocks might be copied to this newly added data nodes. The status is showing us decommissioning. See now, there's a block copied here. Huh? 8 blocks copied here. 12 blocks. 24 blocks. 28 blocks.
Which 3 and 5 data will move to the other node.
Okay, so mostly the whatever is we have in S3 and 5 is getting moved to S3 and 6.
Sir, once you decommission this node, it will automatically update to all the nodes.
Yes, sir, that's what. Okay, refresh nodes means okay, it will be updated to all the nodes. Here, refresh nodes.
But why we need to use the cluster manager here? It will automatically refresh it.
It will refresh, okay, but okay, see, we should put this exclude.txt file to all the nodes, right? When you refresh nodes, okay, from where it will take that, okay, what nodes I need to decommission? It will take from that file, exclude.txt file. That is the reason that file should be available in all the nodes. Okay, so 121 blocks are already copied here.
So during this time, Heartbeat will send data node to name node?
Yes, of course.
Decommissioning time.
Yes. Okay. After some time, what it will do?
Sir, it's permanently deleted, sir. It's decommissioning. Right?
Is it deleted or is it moving, guys?
Delete is showing the name, right? Here.
It is not deleting, right? It is just moving.
Okay.
Okay. So at the end, okay, what happened? See the color now? Color changes, right? What is this color?
Decommissioned.
Decommissioned. What does it mean?
So now not in cluster.
Not available.
It's okay. So whatever okay, we have here, okay, it's already copy to here. Okay, it means now we have one copy here, one copy here also. Yes or no? It is just a copying, guys.
Yes,
It is
yes.
whatever is there, okay, in this node. When you decommission a node, whatever is available in this node, okay, all this data will be copied to other nodes wherever it is possible.
Okay.
Understood? Okay. So now change the status to decommission. Now only you need to remove this node. Okay. Until this time you should not remove the node because okay, if there are important blocks, okay, so if you directly remove the node, okay, I mean you may miss the blocks.
That I will.
Data
Can we
blocks.
bring
Okay.
like this node to active again?
Of course, yes. Okay, just okay, remove the exclude entry in the exclude.txt and start the data node. That's it.
But in that case, the duplicate copy is already there.
Of course, okay, over replication will happen. Okay, again, named will delete the over.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. This is how okay, you will be doing the decommissioning of data nodes. Okay. So now decommissioning of a node manager. Okay. So here anyway you need to add in exclude.txt. We already added here this one. Okay. Configuration file. Okay. So in any RM node run below command. Refresh node. Yes. Okay. Now you check the resource manager UI. Now okay, you can see here. Okay, one decommission node we have. Yes or no? One decommission node which is S3 and 5 and 3 are active nodes. Understood? Understood, guys. Okay. See here decommission happened immediately, but in some scenarios, okay. What in case some containers are running on this machine, guys? Some containers are running on this machine. What will happen?
First that will complete and then
Huh?
first those containers will complete, I believe.
Exactly.
And
Those okay. Until the containers are completed, okay, this will be in decommissioning status. Okay.
Okay.
Once all the containers are completed, okay, it will go to
Will change.
decommission state.
so
Understand?
we need to refresh once this comes into decommission state, then only. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah,
We need to remove only once it comes to decommission state.
okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah. Okay. So that's how okay, you will be adding the nodes. Okay. But here, while decommissioning, refresh nodes of HDFS refresh nodes from okay, these two are important
Sir,
commands.
what once decommission is completed, what we need to do, how to remove the node?
Okay, so now okay, just okay, see now once decommission is completed, okay, wherever okay, you use these properties, like okay, so here okay, so in our scenario, if you want okay, so okay, once okay, node is successfully removed. So this remove the entries from below. Okay. On clutch. That's change in the clutch configuration file. Remove in the clutch configuration file. We are referring these things. Clutch. After that, where else? Cluster shell. Then sorry. Workers. From these three places, you need to delete the entry and shut down. That's it. Right.
The decommission node we need to enter, sir, here. We need to enter in this file.
Sorry?
The three files which we need to delete, sir, for the particular decommission node.
From these three files, you delete and shut down the VM. That's it. Okay.
So downtime required, sir.
No, sir. While adding, okay, removing, did I take any downtime?
No.
While adding also no downtime required. While removing also no downtime required. Okay. Understand? Huh? Understood, guys? Any questions?
Mentioned shut down the server, right? That's what.
So now I will shut down this server.
Sir, if we are removing, if we are decommissioning name node and all, the same thing we have to do. The data will be copied on other name nodes, right, sir?
No,
It will
metadata.
automatically.
Bootstrap standby command is there, right? You need to do that one.
Okay,
Bootstrap standby.
okay, sir.
What, sir? What is this scenario?
Okay, if you want to okay, change the resource manager or name node master services, okay, you need to do. You will have a lot of work actually. Okay, because you need to change the configuration of files, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any
Sir,
questions?
sir, we have added a new server that is S3 and 6. So
Yes,
even
sir.
if we are decommissioning S3 and 5, then all the data is inside YARN and SDFS is transferred to S3 and 6. But
Not
if we
only
are
6, okay, it can go to other nodes also, but it will be distributed to other nodes.
okay then
Got it?
equally distributed.
Yes,
That
equally
method
distributed
you
to
have
all
told.
other nodes. Yes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions?
Sir, all these methods which you are telling from the beginning, that is from January or
Yes, sir.
February.
Yes, sir.
Sir, these all are things are in Cloudera Hadoop also, because we will be working on Cloudera Hadoop.
Okay, sir. Okay. Tomorrow class you will get 100% clarity, sir. Okay. Tomorrow
Okay, sir.
class you
Okay,
will
sir.
get 100% clarity. Okay. But okay, so far, okay, what we have seen, guys, so far. Okay, so with this, okay, second module yarn also completed. Okay. So far, what we have learned? Tell me.
Storage layer and
The storage
processing.
layer and
Okay, so
processing layer.
far, okay, we learned, okay, storage layer and processing layer. Yes, sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So far, okay, we have learned, okay, Apache Hadoop. Under this one, we learned storage layer. Okay. This is what we learned. Sir, no. When I say Hadoop is a combination of storage layer and processing layer.
Yes.
Correct or not? Correct or
Correct,
not?
correct,
Okay.
sir.
But now the first question is that who invented Hadoop is? Who invented Hadoop? The person called Dow Cutting. Okay. He invented this Hadoop. Okay. He invented Hadoop. Okay. So Hadoop is a technology invented by this guy. Okay. But okay, so suppose okay, if I invent one technology, will everyone use in the world? If I invent world, okay, don't know who is Venkat. Yes or no? Okay. So maybe few people know Venkat. Okay, maybe if I ask my students, okay, and okay, you may listen. Okay, sir has tried something new. Okay, so let's also try. Okay, you may try. Okay, but okay, there is a new technology invented or created. Okay, and okay, if I want to make entire world to use this one, I need to go to a person, okay, who will supply this kind of technology to all the world. Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? Okay, so that is the reason of what Dow Cutting has done. Okay, he has given this Hadoop software to Apache company.
Sir, Dow Cutting is just
Apache,
father of Hadoop, sir.
father of Hadoop. Okay, so he felt that okay, this is very good technology. Okay, but okay, he want it entire world to use this technology. Okay, so if we release on his name, okay, nobody will listen him. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, what Dow Cutting has done, he went to Apache and told, okay, hey Apache, okay, so I invented some good technology. I will show you how it works and all. Okay, so he has given a demo to Apache. So now Apache also felt very happy that okay, yes, this is definitely a good technology. So then Apache accepted to promote this Hadoop technology. Okay, so it means okay, Dow Cutting completely handed over this Apache Hadoop to Apache. Okay. When it is with Apache, now okay, we call it as it has become Apache Hadoop. Understand? Now it has become Apache Hadoop. Are you clear? Are any questions? Okay. So now, what is this Apache company here? Apache is a company where they provide open source softwares. Open source means
Free of cost.
free of
Anybody can
cost.
download and use.
Yeah, okay. Anybody can download and okay, install it and use it. Okay, so now Hadoop has become an open source software. Will you agree with me? Huh?
Yes,
Hadoop has become an open source software. Okay. So now entire world, okay. So since there is a new tool from okay, new software from Apache, okay, Apache also promoted Hadoop like anything. Okay, so most of the companies started downloading Apache Hadoop and okay, they started using it. Okay. Now, okay, Hadoop has become world famous. Okay, everybody is liking Hadoop. But okay, because of this, is Dow Cutting is getting any benefit? Huh? See, who invented this software?
no, sir.
Dow Cutting.
Dow
He has
Cutting.
given to Apache. Apache is a company who will give the softwares for free of cost. Okay, so entire company is using Apache Hadoop. Okay, but Dow Cutting is not getting any money.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what Dow Cutting has done? Hey, my technology has become very famous now. Okay, but I'm not getting any money. What to do? Huh? So then he started identifying the issues with Apache Hadoop. What are the issues with Apache Hadoop? Guys? Do you have any issues with Apache Hadoop? Huh?
Yes, sir.
What are the issues we have with Apache
We
Hadoop?
need to take different UIs for different services, sir. One thing.
Huh?
We need to take different UIs for different services, like Node Manager, different UI, and then we need
Okay.
to.
So difficulties with the Apache Hadoop. Okay. What are the difficulties that here we have? Don't you think these are the difficulties, guys? One is command line installation. What do you mean of command line installation?
Yeah.
Huh? See here, okay, everything, whatever okay, you start name node, start data node, okay, set up a cluster, okay, anything, start zookeeper, anything and everything is a command line, okay. And if you don't know commands, can you do anything?
No, sir.
No, okay.
It's not
So
user
here,
friendly.
yeah, so it is not a user friendly, complete command line.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not user friendly at all. Complete command line installation. That's the one issue. Okay, and again, okay, hard to remember the commands. Okay, are you feeling this command line installation is a problem? Definitely yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Many people ask me, sir, do we need to remember all these commands and all? Correct or not? Okay, so hard to remember the commands. Yes, very hard to remember. Even if you ask me, okay, I may not type. Okay, after these many years also, I may not type the command exactly in the first attempt itself. Okay. Then no dashboard UI. What do you mean of no dashboard UI? So do you have any UI like this actually? So let's say, okay, this is the
Like name
cluster.
node UI,
Ah,
data node UI.
okay, this is the cluster. Okay, and these are the active nodes. These are the dead nodes. Okay, how many? I have 3 zookeepers, 3 gen nodes, 2 jet cases, 2 name nodes, 3 data nodes, 2 RMs. Okay, 1 job history server. Okay, what is the status? How many are active? How many are dead? Okay, how many are active? How many are standby? Okay, understood.
So to know, we have to type those commands. Huh?
Yes, sir. 3 zookeepers. Okay, so running. or no? So we don't have anything like this, any dashboard like this. What is running, what is not running, what is like that, all the things are not there. Okay, in Apache Hadoop. Correct or not? Okay, so no dashboard here. Okay, no monitoring also. Okay, suppose okay, if I'm using a Apache, if I set up an Apache Hadoop cluster with 100 data nodes or 1000 data nodes, in any one server, okay, one service is down, data node service is down, or okay, node manager service is down, or name node is down. Is there any mail alert coming to me?
No, sir.
No, right? No mail alert, nothing. Nothing is coming to me. So it means okay, no monitoring, no production support. It means okay, suppose okay, so you found that there is a bug in Apache Hadoop. Who will come and fix your issue? Nobody. Okay. So these are the issues. Okay, this guy found. These are the issues this guy found in Apache Hadoop. Okay. See, are these any technical issues? Are okay user issues, user interface issues? See, technically the technology is very, very good. Understand? There is no flaws in the technology. But okay, how to use this technology, how to set up Hadoop cluster is difficult. How to remember Hadoop commands is difficult. How to start a Hadoop services is difficult. Okay. Okay, we don't have any dashboard UI to tell okay about okay, our cluster status in one place. Okay, no monitoring, no production. These are all okay user interface issues, not technical issues. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so they felt that okay, so they don't have okay. So if anyway okay, technically it is very, very good. Okay, he cannot do anything. He cannot go to Apache and tell okay, hey, give my Hadoop back. No, Apache will not give. Okay. So now he felt that okay, so these are the things which are not there in the Apache Hadoop. Okay, so let us do something for these things. Anyway, technology is fine. Okay, user interface also, user experience also. We should, if we make it good, okay, more users will be okay, interested in using this technology. Okay, so what he has done, okay, for that okay, we'll see tomorrow. Okay.
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 Okay, can you upload this explanation document and the latest
I
that
will do
3x
everything.
document?
Yes, sir. I'll do right now.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
otherwise I'll forget. Okay, first you want explanation document, right? Okay. Upload. Done, sir?
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, everything uploaded. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow, guys.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
సార్ ఇక్కడ పిఎం లో కమాండ్స్ అవి కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేస్తుంటే రావట్లేదు సార్.
అవును మేడం, అవును. అందుకే పుట్టి వాడాలి మీరు.
పుట్టి ఓపెన్ చేయాలి.
అవునవును.
ఓకే ఓకే. పుట్టిలోనే డాక్యుమెంట్ లో కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేయాలి.
పేస్ట్ చేసి డాక్యుమెంట్ లో కాపీ చేసి రైట్ మౌస్ రైట్ క్లిక్ కొట్టారంటే పేస్ట్ అయిపోతుంది ఆటోమేటిక్.
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్. థాంక్యూ.
Thank you guys. Okay, see you all tomorrow.
పుట్టి ఓపెన్ చేయాలి.